Hi, this is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'd like to present to you this approved used Audi A3 Sportback S-line 35 TDI with the S-tronic gearbox. Now this particular example is finished in the optional Daytona grey pearlescent paintwork, which is really give this vehicle that standout road appearance. This is also the 2024 facelift model for the A3. Moving on now, looking at the external key features, we do find that this is an S-line model and therefore does benefit from the additional S-line styling such as the front bumper design as well as the rear diffuser and that lovely side profile. Moving on now, looking at the external features, we do find these brand new adaptable LED headlights with the multi-function dynamic light signatures which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Down towards the alloys now, we do find these lovely S-line specific 18-inch 5 twin-spoke graphite grey alloys, which do really complement the grey paint. Now to the side there is that rear privacy glass, which does also keep the rear occupants in view and protects those valuable items from vision as well. Moving in now to the rear boot space of the A3 Sportback, where we find up to 385 litres of storage space. It's a large amount for a hatchback of this size, and this can easily accommodate one larger suitcase as well as a few additional shopping bags. Now moving into the rear seats, we do find a full leather interior with the additional white stitching to complement. As well, there is a leather centre armrest which is folded down to present two useful cup holders, and there are Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row, making the A3 perfect for family usage. Now moving into the front, we find a very well designed and luxurious cabin with a large amount of plush materials such as leather, Dynamica and aluminium. With this being the S-line model, it does mean you get these full leather S Sport seats in which you have the Audi Sports logo and that lovely white stitching. Above now there is the virtual cockpit display in which is featured two digital rev counters, and besides this you can access your satellite navigation, telephone connectivity and vehicle data. Now to the centre of the dashboard we find this impressive MMI touchscreen display in which does feature the satellite navigation as well as having access to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And just below this now we find the equally impressive digitalised dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable, and this vehicle is also equipped with the heated seat functionalities either side of this for both front passengers. So thank you for watching this video of the approved used Audi A3 Sportback S-line, which is now available at Stafford Audi.